What up? What it is? What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Before we get this thing started, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button ASAP. As y'all can tell from the thumbnail, your boy's hitting up Ace Cafe down in Orlando today. So before we go down there, obviously I got to clean Cersei up. It's been raining a lot lately in Jacksonville, and it's been hard to keep these cars clean, man. Like, my beast, she feel like she been getting neglected, and the time that it wasn't raining was the time that I'm either at work or I was too busy doing other stuff. So today I got to clean her up, especially since we're going down to Ace. So stay posted, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Shocka on the beats. Shocka on the beats. Shocka on the beats. Alright, so Cersei is all cleaned up. As y'all can tell, I'm not in the same clothing anymore. Had to run home and shower up real quick before we head down to Orlando, even though I'm about to get all sweaty anyways, because it is currently 93 degrees out, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little hotter down in Orlando. So, but nonetheless, I didn't want to smell like car soap on my way down, or once we get down there. But anyways, real quick, for those that are wondering why I drive my car before I even started on my wheels, well, that's to try to prevent water spots. For those that own darker vehicles, black cars, octane red, indigo blues, any of those darker colors, y'all know that if you wash your car in direct sunlight and you don't dry it fast enough, your car is prone to getting those water spots, and water spots will make your car look dirty even after it's clean. So I generally dry it right after I wash it, before I even start on the wheels, just because the little overspray I get with the hose is easy to clean off or dry off the paint as I'm rinsing the wheels. So but yeah, about to link up with the squad, and we about to head down to Ace. So see y'all when we get there. Shocka on the beats. Shocka on the beats. Shocka on the beats. Alright, YouTube, we made it out here to the Ace Cafe meet down in Orlando. As y'all can see, everybody's still pulling in right now. They literally just opened the lot up around 10 minutes ago. So it's crazy. The traffic is crazy out here. The car scene is crazy. So I'm gonna try to give y'all some footage of the people rolling in and show y'all what's out here. So enjoy. I see the man, the legend.
What's going on? The legend, nah.
He a legend. Don't let him fool you. Don't let him fool you. It's always the ones that's trying to be humble.
We ain't doing that yet. We ain't doing that.
Look, we gonna claim it. Speak it to existence.
All right, I'm gonna walk around here.
Speak it to existence.
I need about a good another 999. Wait. No, 900,999 more subscribers before I become a legend.
Man,
there you
look,
go.
Like I said, you gonna
subscribe. I need your help, baby. I need your help, man. Subscribe.
But first, subscribe to my channel, then subscribe to his.
Exactly. Subscribe to both.
Subscribe to his, then subscribe to mine. How about that? I'm sweating out here. Woo.
Yeah. What's up? This my boy right here.
What's up, boy? Hey, shout out your channel, man.
Hey, man, charge the app, man. Come get at me, man.
Okay.
Man, what's yours,
Hey,
man?
look, Srtfied_392, Srtfied_392 on IG and YouTube. Check me out.
Man, you see how he comfortable out here, man. Charge the app, man. Y'all look me up on Instagram, YouTube. I do it all, man. I cut up, have fun, man. That's all it's about.
Srtfied252.
That's my boy Fat Cat right there. Make sure y'all follow that boy. Fat Cat 8181 on IG, and make sure y'all follow him on YouTube at Fat Cat. Y'all see it. Y'all see Christine looking good over here. We got my boy Concrete, aka Garage Driven.
Yeah, bro. Y'all already know.
Oh man, make sure y'all follow that guy. Hey, I told you I was sliding through. I told you. As long as I'm not working and I got nothing else going on, I'm gonna be coming through. That's why I told y'all, let me know anything y'all got going on. Trust me, I'm gonna be through there. So before I order these shirts from this man, we got Modern Day Muscle out here. Go ahead and shout it out for your people, man.
Modern Day Muscle on YouTube, guys. Modern Day _muscle on Instagram. You know, I'm just a big enthusiast of the car community. You know, just come hit me up. If you follow me, I'll follow back. I'm not one of those people.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Celebrities out here,
right? Y'all see the merch. Y'all see the merch. I'm about to cop me one right now. So
I designed it myself.
Oh, okay.
Designed it myself. Yeah, designed it myself.
That's raw.
That's the local design right here.
Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Look, make sure y'all hit him up if y'all trying to get this merch.
Yeah, this is.
These shirts are legit.
Appreciate it, man.
These are legit. Yeah, make sure y'all hit this boy up.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep. So So all y'all getting that VIP treatment. That's how y'all do.
Word.
Y'all getting that VIP.
Got to, man. You know how we do.
Hey, look. From now on, I'm rolling in with y'all, goddamn.
That's right. Come right in front.
Again, Concrete 392, aka Garage Driven. Make sure y'all follow that boy on IG and YouTube. That whip is clean. Them white calipers is sick. That's probably the cleanest Magnum I done seen, bro. Damn. What inspired you to do all this, man?
Since I had a Magnum, I had an SXT, and I was like, damn, I gotta get the SRT.
Bro, they rare nowadays. They really rare nowadays. This thing is nasty, bro. I don't know if y'all can tell in this video, but god damn. Look at that. Hey, 2 thumbs up on this one, man. Definitely. You got an IG or anything like that?
Yeah, Crackerjack22.
Crackerjack22?
Yep.
Hey, make sure y'all follow that guy on IG, man.
K.
Huh?
With a K.
With a K? Crackerjack22 with a K. Okay. All right, man. Take care, man. That is nasty, bro. I swear, those Magnums are rare nowadays. Definitely rare. Y'all already know who this is. This is Manny Mopar right here. What's up, boy? You gonna show out today?
Yeah, man. Chilling, man. I'm about to park it over there right now.
Okay. They got the VIP joints for y'all?
They're moving me everywhere.
Yeah.
Upgrade, man. All right.
Yeah.
I see that.
Snap.
New York special.
Okay, I see you. That is clean. Bro, I swear that's the hardest challenge in the city. Hands down. Hardest challenge in the city. I don't care what nobody say. Y'all hear that? What y'all serving up over here?
Italian sausage.
Hot dogs, hamburgers, Italian sausage. I might have to check y'all out in a few.
Okay. Come on through now, Campo.
Hey, look, I donated a free bag of ice, so I should get a free sausage on now. I'm just playing. I'm just messing with you. Ooh, they got the beer? Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to mess with y'all. Hey, don't underage drink, and don't drink and drive. We don't promote that. Yo, it is crazy out here. I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. If you're not out here and you in the Orlando area, you missed it. Straight up. You straight up missed it. I don't know what to tell you. I see you. Hey, you got the right team right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay. Hey, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Patriot Nation all day. Patriot Nation all day. I be dog.
What's up, my brother?
What's going on, big man?
Yo, give me like 2 seconds, homie. I seen the clip that you did on YouTube for your
boy in the system. That's your thing. You
Yeah.
Homie, take down my number if you want, man.
Okay.
And hit me up because I got some old school throwback fucking speakers. I don't want nothing outrageous. I just want it to sound good. Come here, take a look.
Okay.
Real quick.
I'm vlogging right now. You good with that?
Yeah.
All right.
Excuse the mess in the truck.
Oh no, you good.
I'm gonna show you. I got some throwbacks right here, bro.
Okay.
The Soundstream Tarantulas damn amp is 32 fucking pounds.
He opened that thing like he about to show me a pound of coke in his
Might as well be, bro. It's
right?
like a couple bricks in here. Yeah.
Ooh. Goodness. That shit look like an ice tank.
So
You just trying to wire up the sub?
I want my subs, I want some bass, and that's it, homie. That's it.
That's it? Just that's the subs?
It's gonna sound nice to me, and that's that. I ain't trying to please the world. Feel me? So if you think it's something that you can work with,
Oh yeah, I can definitely work with that. All it is just, all I need is a line out converter, the wiring kit for the amp, and just some 16 gauge speaker wires so I can wire the line out converter
I'm gonna let
to
you do your
rear
thing.
deck.
Keep
So
filming. I'm gonna come and holler at you in a second, though.
okay, definitely.
We'll exchange numbers, and then just tell me exactly what I need, and dude, I'll shoot out to you, bro.
For sure.
No, for real,
For sure.
real. It's a pleasure, man.
For
Thank
sure.
you.
Likewise. Appreciate it. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. For all y'all that's trying to start a YouTube channel and you trying to wait on the perfect time, just do it. I'm telling y'all, just do it. You never know who you run into. You never know who watches your videos. It's exposure for you. Whatever hobbies you have, whatever. Whew, that thing is clean. Whatever hobbies you have, and what's up, boy? I ain't even thought you think you was in there. That thing looking good, man. Hey, make sure y'all follow my boy on IG right there. Y'all see it. That thing is nasty. That wrap is super clean. But like I was saying, you never know who you run into. When you have a passion or a hobby, working on cars, you never know. That's how you make your money. Oh yeah, definitely shout out your information, because
Instagram repo_SRT6, part of Mopar Outlaws of Florida. This is our Mopar meet. It's just a regular meet that we do every, I think it's bi-monthly. We've been doing it. It's been a great success. There's a lot of Mopar people, Mopar fam come out. It's good shit. Everybody comes out, has a good time, and it's just 100 degrees out.
A lot of success is an understatement, man. We had, last time I had almost 200 cars. This time, we almost didn't even get in this motherfucker. That's how many cars was here.
Right, there was another club here, and 75% of them was still on the street. They couldn't even get in.
Crazy, man.
yeah, they got mad and they ended up leaving because they couldn't get everybody in here.
So there you go, man. So,
What happened?
so we here with the Mopar Outlaws again, man. Mopar night at Ace Cafe Orlando, man. If you guys missed this one, you don't want to miss the next one. If you're anywhere in the area,
Oh, yeah,
trust me, this is
definitely
a
don't
good
wanna
time.
miss the next
It's from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Hey, you guys gotta get here. Don't get here. Get here earlier, trust
Yeah.
I
me.
get here at 6 o'clock and expect to
You get here at 6 and you might not make it in. You might be hanging out at the links turn.
Sure will.
6 to 9 o'clock though, man, and we bear heat for about a good hour, maybe 2 hours.
Yeah,
and then the sun goes down.
When that sun goes down, all lights come on, man.
It's good, and it's
It's
a
beautiful
thing,
out
man.
here.
Oh yeah.
And on top of that, you
Oh,
can
yeah.
get something to eat. Good people
Yeah,
inside
the
Ace.
food in the venue is
Food
very
is good.
good.
So make sure y'all come out, man.
As you can see,
No, go ahead,
I was
you
gonna
guys.
say, as you can see, we got some beautiful cars out here. You know, we got the special ones from Tampa down here too. You know.
I gotta repark my stuff. I'm all crooked.
You know, let me get this on tape real quick. Show them how.
I can't be quick. I gotta get in there. Then I can
Nah, Christine looking gorgeous though. Man. So this is the lip that I'm looking at getting for mine, the front lip splitter. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think. This thing looking sexy though.
They had Cartel
Durango
Supercharger.
out here.
Huh?
They had Cartel Supercharger.
Yeah. Paul.
They got a few little mods on them.
What you got done to it? What you got done to it? I see the K&N.
Intake exhaust. I got a bigger throttle body. I got the
Would you go with the model muscle Xtreme?
Nah, I got what's the name of that dude? I can't remember his damn name. I had that thing for 3 years now. But it's bigger than stock. I know that because I compared the bitches.
You got it tuned yet?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. I want to get all my components. There's no point in tuning it if you ain't where you want to be at.
Right.
So I finally got all my components and now tune it next.
Okay.
So I got adjustable ball joints.
Y'all hear it. Do it right the first time.
Adjustable ball joints, adjustable rear control arms.
So is it lowered?
It's lowered, but I have self-leveling shocks still because I tow.
Okay.
So it raises up when you drive.
Oh, that's tight. How much is it lowered by?
It's like inch and a half.
Inch and a half?
Inch and 3/4.
Okay.
It's low. Like, look at that SRT. That's a high they said. No, it's not like that yet. But it sounds good. They got Gibson mufflers on, no mid pipe.
Let me hear it. Start that thing up. Bro, it feels so good out here now.
Yeah, it does. This one to me should start.
Ooh, I like that little growl it got. Oh yeah, I love that growl. That sounds good. Yeah, that sounds real good.
I put my money where it counts.
Yeah, I like that actually.
Y'all see it. It's lowered. You got an IG or anything like that?
Yeah. What is my IG?
Yo, everybody be like, yo, what's my IG?
Hold on, you gotta put it on the card, man.
Right?
Hold on a second. That tells you how much I be on, right?
So Big Boy Toys, is that your company
That's
or
my LLC? I drive trucks.
Okay. You want to tell us a little about it?
About the company?
Yeah.
I'm leasing off a company in Texas, Stevens Transport.
Okay.
I'm buying my truck.
Okay. That thing is nice, y'all. You still in the Marine Corps or you former Marine?
I got out in 99.
Okay, well thanks for your service. I'm currently in the Navy, so I appreciate your service. I'm not even gonna start the rivalry right now.
Ain't no rivalry, one big family.
Exactly. Man, this thing is clean, y'all.
Dem.Reeves Instagram.
Alright, so we're gonna have to spell it out for him. DEM.
.Reeves. R-E-V-E-S.
Y'all heard it here first. Make sure y'all get that boy a follow.
That's on the trucking side.
Okay.
I got a lot of trucking stuff on there.
Make sure y'all follow that guy, man. He cool peoples right now. Real cool peoples. And you said this was your first time out here?
First time out here.
First time out here?
First meet with this truck out here.
That's crazy. That's what's up. That thing is clean too. Yo, make sure y'all follow that boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now y'all know I'm not a fan of Mustangs by no means, but this one right here is sick. Super sick. Yes, I'm following him like a creep. We're gonna catch him. We're gonna do an interview with him, y'all. We definitely gonna do an interview with him.